G'day everyone, welcome to Dreamworld today. Thought we'd come down and check out Kenny and Belinda's Dreamland, how that construction's going along there. Maybe check out the giant drop as well, and we'll just have a look around the park. So let's head on in, grab a coffee and check it out. So having a look over from the plaza area, you can see the Dreamwater Theater. It's got a new canopy there. We're going to have some more put on just further down. You can see the work still continuing on the ball pit area over there. New concrete's gone in. So let's go have a look from the other side. So looking from the entrance going over where the water area is, you can see they've got new paintwork on the poles, all getting done up there. Got a new yellow archway put in there. So it's looking good. They've cleared out a lot of the garden over there as well, where the fountain is. So yeah, definitely coming along, that's for sure. As you can see, they've started some of the painting on the Dreamworld dodgems. That was the original colour there. And they've started doing a couple of them a blue colour as well. Good to see. Oh, we've got a pile up. Some more paintings happening on Serpent Slayer. You can see the ride itself's now dark blue. It's looking good. I guess the rest of it will be dark blue as well. And you got the light blue on the handrails there as well. Don't know if that's going to be dark blue or not as well, but yeah, it's looking good. You can see the Dreamwater Theater over there is all opened up at the front now without the old facade there. See the work being done on the footpath coming through there. Looks like they're going to cut parts of it out and re-theme it there. Added new concreting to the front of the treehouse, and they're still doing work on the treehouse, adding a new roof section to it. So the section behind me of Kenny and Belinda's Dreamland should be finished by the 31st of March, so if everything's on track, we'll see all this area open by then. And at the moment, just remember Whitewater World's gone seasonal, so it's only open Friday and Saturdays at the moment. So the painting's finally reached the bottom of the tower on the giant drop there, you can see. So hopefully they'll start working on the lighting package soon. Still looks like there's a bit of, a few areas that need touching up on there as well. But for the most part, the painting looks like it's complete on the outside. started on the Dreamworld flyer that's going in behind the globe in the fountain there at the moment, so we'll just keep checking on our future visits. Alrighty, that'll do it for today for Kenny and Belinda's Dreamland update and just a quick look around the park. If you like the content, maybe hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.